Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be installing a cargo area liner by Caresa. It's lightweight and durable and fits perfectly to the interior contours of a 2021 Ford Bronco. Let's check it out.
A big thank you to Caresa for providing the product for this video. The liner is made of a thermoplastic elastomer and the cargo area was laser scanned to make sure that it fits perfectly. It's got a non-slip texture designed into it, and that will help stop things moving around. It's also got pre-cut holes, so you can use the tie downs when the liner's in place. Installation doesn't get any easier than this. Just lay it down and smooth it out. As you can see, it fits really nicely with the contours of the cargo area. The liner's waterproof, so if you happen to spill on it, you can just pull it out and hose it down. It also folds in the middle, so you can still access the underfloor storage. And this just shows how easy it is to use the tie downs.
So there you go, another really easy install. Just drop it into the cargo area, pull through the tie down hooks, and you're good to go. It follows the design theme of the Bronco, looks great, it's durable, it's waterproof. I give it a thumbs up. And to that point, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.